Hello students, in this video we will see how to determine alpha, beta, gamma, carbon and hydrogen atom. So see this example. In this example, COOH is a functional group. Okay, so carbon which is directly attached to the functional group, it is called as alpha carbon atom. Okay, carbon atom which is directly attached to the functional group, it is called as alpha carbon atom. The carbon atom which is directly attached to the alpha carbon atom, it is called as beta carbon atom. And carbon atom which is directly attached to the beta carbon atom, it is called as gamma carbon atom. बघा नीट, जो कार्बन डायरेक्टली फंक्शनल ग्रुपला अटॅच असतो त्याला आपण म्हणतो अल्फा कार्बन ॲटम. अल्फा कार्बनच्या बाजूचा कार्बन ॲटम त्याला म्हणतो आपण बीटा, आणि बीटाला जो अटॅच असतो कार्बन ॲटम त्याचा ॲडजस्टंट असतो त्याला म्हणतो आपण गॅमा कार्बन ॲटम. And in case of hydrogen, those hydrogen which are attached to the alpha carbon atom are called alpha hydrogen atom. Those hydrogen which are attached to the beta carbon atom are called beta hydrogen atom. And those hydrogen which are attached to the gamma carbon atom are called as gamma hydrogen atom. Okay, so I hope तुम्हाला ही concept नीट समजली असेल.